What's up today, Sarah?
Hi, this is, I'm making sourdough, and this is the first time I've made 3 loaves, so I'm sort of making 3 at the time. And this is I've left it for an hour after mixing in the starter, and now I'm going to do this first set of stretching and then stretch and folds. Okay, so the important thing is with my method is I make it and do everything in the bowl. After it's been left for a time for an hour, it will stick to the bowl. So this is to explain how I avoid that.
Don't shake your hands around.
Like that. Don't shake my hands. Okay. Don't shake my hands. So what I want to do is create a very thin film of water on the inside of this stainless steel bowl. So I get the spatula. This is the bowl I've had from my starter, so I just fill it up with water so I can use it to dip my hands in as well. Get the spatula, shake it off, and then just go round the bowl so that it goes to underneath it, and then it's got this bit of a film and it won't stick. Now, after an hour leaving with the starter and all the flour mixed together, the first thing is to stretch the dough 4 times, and then I'll do a normal stretch and fold. So
just so I understand, this stuff in the bowl had been proving, is that
yes,
right?
well, it's been left for 1 hour after mixing in the starter, so it's got a full hour to start really eating all the
so
starter.
this put on the water happens now, not at the start.
It happens every time you want to do a stretch and fold to stop it sticking. So these are my hands. Just put them in the bowl, give them a good, so they get all round. Shake them off, and then pick it up. Okay, now stretch.
That comes out pretty easy then.
Yeah.
Is that because you put the water in?
Yes. So that's the first 3 big, long stretches, and then back in the bowl. And then before I do the shake and stretch and fold, another rinse of your hands. You don't want to put too much water in, but just enough to get a film of water over your hands. And then these are the stretch and folds that I'll be repeating every half an hour from now on. So pick the dough up in the middle, flip it and stretch it over and roll. Then turn the bowl 180 degrees and do the same thing. You're aiming for the middle, so you push it into the middle, flip it, stretch and fold over, and then turn the bowl 180 degrees. So that's, and then when you've done one like that, you turn the bowl 90 degrees. If you feel your hands are sticking, just give a bit more water. Again, into the middle, stretch and fold. And then 180, and then 90. This is number 3. And as you do it, you'll find the dough getting a bit stiffer. 90 degrees for the number 4.
So how many times do you do this?
You do it 4 times, and then that's your bowl. Your dough in a ball and cover. I'm going to repeat the process if you want to just...
So you mix the dough, leave it to rise for how long?
An hour, and then every half an hour, 4 sessions of stretch and folds. So again, do you want to stop there?
Every hour, how many times?
Every half hour.
For how many times?
4.
So over 2 hours?
Yes. Okay?
Is that it? So shall I stop now?
Yeah, you could do, or I'm going to do it again for the second and third bowls.
Just do, well, I might as well.
Okay, yeah.
So, if I'm bored now, if you're bored now, just stop.
Just turn
I'll just
off.
get a different angle.
Okay, this is bowl number 2. Again, it's sticking to the bowl.
Yeah.
So we get the spatula, shake off, create the film on the bowl, shake your hands off, and we're going to do the really big, after the hour, the long stretches. 1, 2, 3.
I've never seen you do this before.
You've never been present at the time. Okay, and now we're going to do the stretching and folding. So this is 1, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 2, 90 degrees, 3.
Didn't realise you had to use
And 4. That's,
so much effort over 2 hours.
yep.
I didn't realise you were doing so much work.
A woman's work is never done, John. And she's a sourdough baker. Okay,
Is that it?
Well, I'm going to go to bowl number 3.
Nah, that's it. I've had enough now.
Okay, good.
I've got to go and watch Family Guy. So that's it then.
Yeah.
What's this thing called? Stretching and...
Stretching and folding, and how to avoid getting sticky hands.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.